Protection of the health of the public is one of the core mandates of the Pharmacy and Poisons Board, and one of the ways through which the board protects the health of the public is by conducting good manufacturing practice inspections. Manufacturers of health products and technologies that are marketed in the country. Good manufacturing practices is about ensuring that there is a consistency in production of the health products and technologies. There is adequate controls systems in place for these products being manufactured. There is zero chances of errors that can bring in contamination of the products, and that the products are being manufactured as per internationally recognized standards that are outlined by the World Health Organization. Whenever we come across a facility that is not compliant, some of the regulatory actions that we meter out to such facility includes stoppage of manufacture. It also includes quarantining all the products that have been produced but have not been distributed, even as we do the sampling and testing to ascertain the extent to which the non-compliance had gone as far as those particular products are concerned. Regulatory actions may also include withdrawal of manufacturing license and also suspension of marketing authorization for products that have already been granted marketing authorization. We also look at the pharmaceutical quality system of the site just to ensure that quality risk management principles are observed and maintained, just to ensure that systems are in place to handle complaints if at all they occur. And if a product is determined to be non-compliant, then a system in place should be able to quickly withdraw or remove that product from the market and thereby protect the health of the public.